Hello students, we are doing the transformation of sentences and the next topic in your syllabus is degree of comparison. We know that adjective has 3 degrees of comparison, that is positive, comparative and superlative. First of all, what is an adjective? Adjective Adjective is a word that tells the quality of the thing, place, person. Adjective in Punjabi we call it विशेषण, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ, person ਦੀ, ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ਤਾ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹੈ, that's adjective. For example, we will take the first example. He is an honest leader. He is the third person. What he is a leader. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਲੀਡਰ ਹੈ। लेकिन असी लीडर तो पहला, लीडर तो ये की हो गया भी नाउन है, की है वो इंसान लीडर है। लेकिन असी लीडर तो पहला की वर्ड यूज किया हुआ है ऑनेस्ट, एंड दिस टेल्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट लीडर कि ਉਹਦੀ ਕੀ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ਤਾ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट लीडर। सो positive degree is that in which the quality of a person, place, thing is described. That's the positive degree. Okay, when quality of something is described, that's the positive degree. Okay, next is the comparative degree. Comparative degree is when you compare two things, two persons, two places. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, that's the comparative degree. Superlative degree means ਕਿ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਬੈਸਟ ਕੀ ਹੈ। ਕੰਪੈਰੀਟਿਵ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਸੁਪਰਲੇਟਿਵ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, more than 2-3 things, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਬੈਸਟ ਕੀ ਹੈ, that's the superlative degree. Okay, now in your syllabuses you have to transform positive degree to comparative, comparative to positive, positive to superlative, superlative to comparative to positive. Okay, you could be asked in any way. Okay, first let's see first example. He is an honest leader. Okay, so we will in the comparative we will make his comparison with the other leader. He is more honest than any other leader, This would mean कि अगर मैं कोई दूसरा लीडर ले लूँ, any other leader mean any one leader if I pick up, then he is the most honest. ਉਹਦੇ comparatively उस एक बंदे दे comparative he is the more honest. Okay, now if we talk about the superlative, we will write he is best, sorry, not the best, sorry, he is the most honest leader of all others. Okay, he is an honest leader. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਸੀ, first we have just described the quality of a leader, that he is an honest person. In the second we have said that he is more honest than any other leader. कोई भी एक और leader ले लो, ਉਹਦੇ ਦੇ comparative ਇਹ ज़्यादा honest है. And in the third we have said he is the most honest leader of all the others, कि सारे leaders ले लो, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ most honest है. Okay, let's see the next example. First we have to choose what is the adjective. We'll see in this example what is the adjective. No city in the world is as big as London. So from these words, no city in the world is as big as London, what is the adjective? Adjective used here is big, and 3 degrees of big are big, bigger, biggest. Okay, so we will make it a first of all comparative. London is bigger. Remember this thing that we have to use this word than in comparative. Than. T-H-A-N. Than. We use this word than when we compare one thing with the other. London is bigger than any other city in the world. In the world. Okay, so in superlative we have to write that it is the biggest city. London is the biggest city. After we have to add of all the other cities in the world. So here we are saying it is big. We are London the key quality ਅਸੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, it is the big city. And in the second we are saying it is bigger than any. ਹੋਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ country ਨਾਲ compare ਕਰ ਲਓ, London is bigger. And in third sentence we are saying biggest of all. जिन्हें मर्जी cities नाल comparison करके देख लो, London is the biggest. Okay, let's see the next example. Very few boys in the class are as good as Joshi. So what is the adjective here? First of all, always pick the adjective. So good is the adjective here. And the 3 degrees of good are good, better, best. So we will take our subject, which is Joshi. Joshi is better than Joshi is better than any other boy in the class. Joshi is better than any other boy in the class. And if we want to make it a superlative degree, we have to add best. Joshi is best of all the other boys in the class. Okay, let's see our last example. Some other boys in the class are at least as tall as Rajan. So what is the adjective here? Tall. And what is saying that what is being said in this example? Some other boys in the class are at least as tall as Rajan. Means जिन्ना राजन दी हाइट है, जो हाइट राजन दी है, बाकी बॉयज दी भी हाइट एटलीस्ट ओनी ही है. सो दिस मीन्स राजन जेड़ा है वो दूसरा तो टॉलर नहीं है. इट इज द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, सो वी हैव टू आल्सो मेक इट नेगेटिव इन कंपैरेटिव. Rajan is not, what is the adjective here? Tall. And 3 degrees of tall are tall, taller, tallest. Rajan is not taller than any other boy in the class. Okay, so in the superlative we will say Rajan is not tallest of all the other boys in the class. Rajan is not tallest of all the other boys in the class. I hope this is clear to you. You have to see whenever you are asked to change the degree. So first of all, you have to always choose the adjective first. Then you have to see the 3 degrees of that adjective, and you have to remember in comparative we have to use this word than, T-H-A-N, than, because this word is used for comparing two things. And for superlative, you have to mention of all others. Of all means if we are comparing with many of those things, then it is the best. Superlative means best, comparative means better, and positive means good. So positive only tell the quality, only describe the quality. Comparative compares the quality of that person, place, thing with the other person, with the other singular person or place or thing. Superlative says that that person, place or thing is best among all others. So I hope you will practice it and you will learn it. Please do it very carefully. Thank you very much.